figure out which spice girl I wanna be pregnant.